Hello, it is the 11th of October 2012. Quick Turbo Silver update. This is session numero 20. In this sideways consolidation, there are two methods in which markets can correct. One is by correcting through time or going sideways. Right now, that's exactly what this is. As well as correcting via price. It can, of course, still do that, because you have an upturn and now you're in this neutrality market. It's either going to resolve itself by either an upturn or a downturn. And how much longer it goes sideways for, I have no idea within. As far as key support, small level in here at 33 or so. And the way I look at it is if this area has a hard time holding, we're probably even going to go down to 31.5 as a key support level. Breaking 31.5 would be about a 61.8% correction. So wherever it happens to be. I'm not going to calculate that yet, unless, of course, it needs to be done. As far as upside resistance, a couple levels I can talk about. One within this area of 37. Now you can say that this upper band is reducing, so you're going to go lower the number. Well, the kicker is if this thing starts going up, and this band's also going to start to go up as well. So really 37.5 area. As one key area, 3750 is also the level of the 2012 top. The next level above that would be around 40, and I say that because 61.8%, this is the Fibonacci retracement here. I'm expecting this level to be met up with a very significant level on any breakout. As this thing, as it makes new highs into 36, 37, and so on, this level is going to start to rise. Again, I'm expecting it to reach at a specific point. $34 on the Fibonacci would translate into the price action moving up to 40. So that's some of the levels that we'd be looking at, but as long as it stays within the range, it's nothing more than sideways consolidation. And within this sideways consolidation, we'll move over to the 5-hour time frame. Fibonacci that I use is this one in here. You could suppose use this one as well, but I like this one because that occurred on the day of the big breakout, the day the Federal Reserve announced QE infinity. So that will be the level that I used when it was breaking down below here. I stated 34.34 to be that of resistance, which was a perfect hit earlier today. It then later, after it hit that 34.34, it sold down to about 34 in low change. So about a 1% retracement on the very short-term time frame. That means if it's a situation where you were long and you were looking to find a sell entry point, you got the top. If you're looking to short, you shorted at the top, whether you took a little bit of gain or not. If you're looking to break even as it goes higher, I don't know. But it also means that once it gets up to there the second time, you throw out all the rules about selling at this point. You throw out all the rules about shorting, because the more often you test a resistance level, the more likely it is that you take it out. And within the whole last 20 periods, we've been going sideways. When you're inside of this neutrality band, that means you're neutral. So right now, as long as we stay within 33 2/3 and 34 1/3, we are going to be neutrality within that of neutrality. This is neutrality. The whole system itself is neutral. As we move this back to the daily chart, you can see this is the whole neutrality part. Within this neutrality, this is coming from an uptrend. Over the last year and change, it's pretty much been a range of 26 and 37, so we're in the upper part of that range. And, well, of course, over the last 5, 10, whatever years, it's in a major upward trend. So that's the prognosis for now, and I'll talk to you later on. Take care.